I've been living in Guangzhou for almost 10 years now, since 2013. I'm quite happy here, and I consider myself a Hun Guangdongyan. In China, everything is possible. I will try to maybe get this bird today. There's a kingfisher there. I think Guangzhou chose me. There's a lot of opportunities out here. There was a job opening in Guangzhou in 2013 for the general manager of the German Chamber of Commerce. That's actually how I started my government relations work. Yeah, and then in 2019 I joined the team of the Guangzhou Huangpu, so the Kaifa. My job is very diverse. So my English title is a chief advisor, actually, but my Chinese title is a international investment promotion director. My job basically is to communicate in both directions. So I tell the leadership here, how the Westerners think, what's the currently. And on the other hand, we also need to communicate what's happening in China. So Huangpu focus of biomedicine, new energy and new material. There's a lot of investment, development, interest. COVID has actually, it has given a lot of challenges, but challenges also provide opportunities. So whoever can solve the problem, you will be able to take the opportunity and maybe have a business opportunity out of this problem. Nature guy, but also I like hiking, running, cycling, and also bird watching. Recently I also started bird photography. The biodiversity is not less than in other places. 一般周一我早一点过去，然后在这里拍一下。I will try to maybe get this bird today. There's a kingfisher there. The colorful one that I mentioned, the pretty one. Because I keep on hearing him, but I don't know whether I will be successful. Yeah, oh, now he has a different spot. Yeah. So they are always on the move. I captured. In China, everything is possible. We as a Guailou, we're not lacking of anything. For example, nowadays you can do a lot of shopping. Taobao. 乜都有. When I moved to Guangzhou, I felt like I should have come earlier. It's more of a low-key city. It's down to earth. It's hardworking, and it's getting prettier day by day. I think Guangzhou is a fantastic city, and it's my home now. Yeah, so I think people should open their mind and see the opportunity.